Hello, kind of a quick whip video of the another model of mine, the Hawker Tempest, which along with other Hawkers named after wind, the Hurricane, the Tempest and the Typhoon. This one is one of my favourites because it's the letters spell Rob. It's a bit of a silly thing to say, but it's always nice. The old Airfix kit with the invasion stripes. I painted the invasion stripes because in the day they were just painted on roughly with a brush in a hurry. Probably they weren't all crisp like you get on the decals that sometimes is applied with that era of World War II. But so invasion stripes painted on with a bit of Tamiya tape to mask them off with. Other than that, you got the normal decals. I've modelled the cockpit open. As you can see, it was a two-part cockpit. Unfortunately, because of the way you've got to put the two halves together, I had to glue the propeller in place so it doesn't turn, but that's a minor thing really. Underneath you get a shallow wheel wells from the old tooling, but at least in this instance you got a gap on the radiator area. Some of the older mouldings have just a blanked off area there, so that's an improvement. You got options for the underwing lights, bit of clear plastic there, pre-painted the back end of those with some silver. You got various aerials, and you got a nice spade shape step to get in, which retracts before you take off. Probably got some lower rank to put that back here if you're a pilot. Retractable undercarriage, nice wide Hawker main gear. I've done a little bit of dry brushing in the radiator area to try and simulate some detail there, but yeah, not a bad little kit. An old kit, but one you can still make a good model out of if you're careful. The green is probably too bright for the era, but you can argue that they are different shades of green, as depending on what was supplied. I painted the yellow leading edge stripes too, rather than try and get a decal to wrap around the edge. But there you go, the Airfix Hawker Tempest. I think I got that right. Yeah. Alright.